everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a collaboration with the Dhalpuri Public Library for this Eid. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. It's going to be for coconut sawine. So let me show you how easy this one is to put together. We're starting in a heavy bottom pot with 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Allow that to melt over a low heat. Next, I'm going to add in my broken vermicelli and we're going to begin toasting this. You want to toast it on a low heat, let it take its time, and it's going to get brown in color. As you'll see here, some of the pieces are really dark brown. You can toast it to the color that you would like. Once it's nice and toasted, we're going to go ahead and add in the secret spice, and this is for the vermicelli or sawine spice. This takes the guesswork out of putting spices when you make sawine. So I'm starting with 1 teaspoon, but if you wanted to do a half of a teaspoon, feel free to. This spice mix is so amazing that it brings all of the sawine spices together in one packet. So now we're going to add in our hot water. You want to add in that hot water and give it a good mix. Now we're going to allow this to come up to a simmer, and once your noodles look plump, we're going to add in 1 cup of whole milk, also known as full cream milk in Trinidad, and 12 ounces of coconut evaporated milk or regular evaporated milk. Also, I'm going to go in with 1 tin of coconut condensed milk, or you can use regular condensed milk. Give that a mix. Make sure that the condensed milk dissolves and it's not sitting at the bottom of the pot because it can burn. So you want to mix it really well. And you can put as much or as little condensed milk as you like, or you can omit the condensed milk and use sugar in place. Now I'm going to go in with 50 grams of coconut milk powder. All of those coconut flavors are going to come together, marry really well. We want to mix that or whisk it in. And now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of mixed essence, or if you have coconut essence or vanilla essence, feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Next, go in with chopped cherries and raisins. And if you wanted to add some slivered almonds to this, feel free to. Give that a mix. And you want to allow it to cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until the raisins are plump, and then you can taste and adjust, make sure it's sweet to your liking, and then all you have to do now is serve. And you'll see how my milk syrup here is nice and thin. It's not too thick. Remember, as this cools, it will thicken, so you don't want to make it too thick. This is the way my family likes it. And all we do is garnish with some chopped pistachios at the end, and then it's ready to be enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Thank you so much to the Dhalpuri Library for collaborating with me on this video. If you make this recipe, comment down below and let us know what you think. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you all have a happy Eid. Bye guys.